Hello, my name is Larry Corso. This is my invention called the inverted backend. The whole purpose of this invention is to remove the guesswork for the user and the tedious tasks of setting up an account on a typical blog. It just gets them right in and gives them intuitive confidence to proceed and keep coming back to the platform because of the user experience. This is all you got to do. Go to the page, click submit podcast, enter in name, title, category, focus, and we made it so we didn't have to upload a lot of files for storage space and speed. So we simply just copy a link. We learned that through Tripleton. Generate post. Typically, you would have to upload a video or go about things, upload a image. Here you just add the link. Go to the back end. Here's where it will show. And all the work is done on the back end to make it very convenient, user-friendly for the user. Publish to podcast. And voila. So we have three types of content. We have long form content, short form content like TikTok, and then written content, all with the same inverted backend and how they would upload the content with slight variations for each. Then there's a Muse page, which is basically like a Twitter for inspiration for entrepreneurs. Anybody going through paving their own path and they need inspiration or they want to give inspiration, they go here, enter in their positive inspirational quote. Same thing would happen. We would submit it, upload or approve it on the back end, and it would publish to the front. And we made it so they could share a text message to their friends to support their friends with the link to the Muse page so their friends could also inspire others. And this is encouraging word of mouth being spread instead of getting lost in a sea of chaos, how it is currently in with social media platforms. We call this site the Cheshire Cat website or the podcast website with its variations of content forms powered by the inverted backend for ease of use. And what we used throughout developing this platform was Next.js, MongoDB for the backend, and we do some basic modifiers for CSS. I did go through, use Tailwind CSS for capacity and speed. The reason why we use Next.js is because of how modern it is, and it could handle a lot of processes with speed. And also why we use MongoDB for the backend framework was because of its flexibility as opposed to like Postgres and other things, modern things coming out, and using AI with MongoDB. It's flexible where we don't have to go back and totally break the JSON format, resubmit it. It's very flexible with AI. So I hope you guys like it. This is roomieware.net. Post all you want. It's yours. The platform is made for you.